Ever wondered how websites get their unique look and feel? The secret sauce is Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS for short. CSS is the styling language for HTML documents, allowing developers to dictate how elements should be displayed on a web page. It's a crucial skill for anyone delving into the realm of computer science, particularly for creating visually appealing and responsive websites. One of the key principles of CSS is cascading. Multiple style sheets can be applied to the same HTML document, with the styles cascading from one sheet to another. This provides flexibility and organization in controlling the appearance of web content. Now let's talk about the syntax of CSS. It comprises of selectors and declaration blocks. Selectors target the HTML elements to be styled, while declaration blocks contain declarations, each including a property and its corresponding value. That's the bare bones of CSS. But to really make a web page come alive, you need to understand selectors and properties. Selectors are the where in CSS. They tell the browser where to apply the styles. Picture them as the targeting system of CSS, pointing out precisely which HTML elements should receive specific styles. Let's explore the four main types of selectors. First up, we have type selectors. These target all instances of a specific HTML element type. For example, if you want all paragraphs to be blue, you might write P color blue. Next, we have class selectors. These target elements sharing a specific class attribute. Imagine you want to highlight certain sections with a yellow background. You might use highlight background color yellow. The third type, Idaho selectors, focus on a single element with a specific ID attribute. An example might be hash header, font size, 24px. Finally, attribute selectors target elements based on their attributes. For instance, border 1px solid black. Selectors give you the power to style elements in a myriad of ways, but what can you style? That's where properties come in. Properties are the what in CSS. They define what aspect of the selected element you want to style. Let's delve into a few of them. Color changes the text color, font size adjusts the font size, background color alters the background color, margin sets the space outside the border, and padding manages the space between content and border. Now let's illustrate this with practical examples. First, styling text. We can set the body's font family, size, and color. We can also give headings and paragraphs their own unique styles. Next, creating layouts. A container can be created with a specific width and centered on the page. We can then add a header, sidebar, and main content area, each with their own background colors, sizes, and padding. And there you have it, the basics of CSS. With this knowledge, you can start to give your websites a unique look and feel that is truly your own.